So after we load ink seat to the cap station, then we install back the cover, metal cover, by fasten the screws, fasten wire, and then we can start to print. So if we cannot adjust the cap station really well, or have no passion to adjust it, or then we can try to load ink from the cap station by manually. So we just move the carriage to the right side empty position, and we prepare the glove to protect our hand. We can wear the glove. Then we move to the print head surface. We can see here there are 3 print heads at the bottom. And we find out the manual load ink cap. At the back side there are 3 tubers